What is the value of the expression 45 divided by 9 multiplied by open parenthesis 6 minus 1 close parenthesis and again multiplied by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression looks very simple, but 99% of people get the wrong answer. Let's go step by step and solve it together. Many people, when trying to solve this question, first go for the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. So, they simplified this expression to 45 divided by 9 times 5 and multiplied by 2. And the next step, they go for the two multiplication signs that I've highlighted in yellow because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 45 divided by 90, which finally gives them the answer 0.5. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option A. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Okay, and the first step, we go for the expression inside the parentheses because it has the highest priority among all the operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 45 divided by 9 times 5 and again multiplied by 2. Alright, as you can see on the screen, and this expression, first we have one division sign followed by two multiplication signs. We must pay close attention that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority in the PEMDAS row. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left and perform these two operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 45 and 9, which simplified this expression to 5 multiplied by 5 and again multiplied by 2. And the next step, we perform the multiplication between 5 and 5. And instead of this expression, we can write 25 times 2, which finally gives us the answer 50. That's great. Option D is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 76 minus 6 times open parenthesis 15 minus 5 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's take a closer look and solve it together. And the first step, most people perform the subtraction between 76 and 6, which I have highlighted in blue. So, this expression simplifies to 70 multiplied by 15 minus 5 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they calculate 15 minus 5 inside the parentheses, which becomes 70 multiplied by 10. And finally, the value of this expression must be equal to 700. Then, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this question, we need to follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a subtraction sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses first, because they have a higher priority than the other operations. So, we can rewrite this expression as 76 minus 6 multiplied by 10. And the next step, we move on to the multiplication between 6 and 10, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we rewrite this expression as 76 minus 60, which finally gives us the answer 16. That's great. Option A is the correct answer to this question.